Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can get money.com to work with Zapier. So it is very simple. In your browser, open a new tab and search for Zapier. Here you have to log into your Zapier account by entering your email, or if you log in with Google, Facebook or Microsoft you can do that. I'm gonna log in with my email. Alright guys, once you log into Zapier, you have to go to apps on the left corner. There is a button called apps. You have to press it, and here you can add new apps. So if we want to automate money.com, we would first have to add money.com here. So in order to add money.com, press add connection and search for Monday. As you can see, money.com appears and it will open up a new page, and this will allow us to connect our money.com with Zapier. Alright guys, as you can see, it is asking us to provide API v2 token, which we can get from money.com. It is very simple. All we have to do is to go to developers in money.com. I'm going to show you. So go to money.com and click your profile icon on the top right corner, and then go to developers. Alright guys, as you can see on the top left corner, there is a button called my access token. Press on it, and then you can press show, and it will show your token, or you can regenerate it if you like, or you can copy it. In my case, I'm just going to copy it and then paste it into here, into Zapier. Just paste this token and press continue to money.com. And guys, that's it. As you can see, it has added money.com's new connection. So now money.com is successfully connected with Zapier, and now I can automate tasks in money.com using Zapier. So this is how you connect money.com with Zapier. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.